Societal norms that glorify speed and risk taking. Um, it used to be once upon a time, guys would be more aggressive drivers, but it's about the same today. Girls drive fast, guys drive fast. So we have a younger culture. Road infrastructure. Why does poor road infrastructure contribute to accidents? Why are our roads so terrible? What does this mean for us as drivers? How do we deal with that? What do we do? Are they going to raise the gas tax? Raise more fees? They have to do something. We got to fix the roads. We have a few more. So again, road infrastructure. You're going to drive on bad roads. You're going to hit those potholes. It's going to make the steering wheel go just like this. And I'm like, just relax. What do I do? The car's going to... Just relax your grip. So potholes, inadequate signage, poorly designed intersections do lead to accidents. I'm telling you, you can see smaller dangers, more intersections. You can see wider intersections. I can point some of those out to you. We try to avoid those really dangerous intersections. I try to take you on scripted roads that the timing of the lights and signals to try to reduce some of the risk, because I am driving new drivers who could potentially run the light accidentally, who might not be paying attention. I don't want to get us killed. So good instructors will plan the route out because I want you safe. And it's a fun route. So potholes, what can we do about the potholes? Poorly designed roads. This is something out of our control, but what are we going to do about it? We can just sit here. The pothole ate Parker G's car. I can't do anything about it. It ate Ella's nice new Mustang. Mom, it's eating my car again. It's okay, honey. It will spit it out in the summer. So you really have to watch potholes. They're very dangerous, particularly once it gets warm, then it gets cold, and it had a freezing thawing cycle. You can't blame it on the semi-trucks. Emergency situations. Why do emergency situations lead to dangerous driving? Emergency situations. You have questions in your driver's education packet.
Close your eyes.
Emergency vehicles. Emergency situations lead to dangerous driving. I do care about what you type. I do care about what you think, because this gives me a different side of you. If you take the time to put in good information, I can tell you care. And I can see the students who are just doing minimum. But we will get paid off when you drive, because you'll have a deeper understanding. So panic and urgency can cause. If you see an emergency vehicle, you want to turn on your blinker and just gently pull over to the right. You're not going to slam brakes and just swerve over. Okay? That happened to us the other day when we were driving to corporate. Emergency vehicle came. Just got over to, no problem. Policy and legislation. Why are current policies and legislation inefficient? What do we need to do? How do we need to change this? Should we go to the state capitol? Yeah, let's go. Let's go see the governor. We're taxpayers. Yeah, go see the governor.